Hello, Haddie. How are you? I hope everything is okay. And remember, Haddie, that we miss you a lot. And we hope that you get well soon, okay? So, Haddie, today we're gonna remember about classroom instructions, okay? So, pay attention to these slides, okay? So, what's this? It is this seat at your desk, please. So listen, please, Haddie.
Sit at your desk, please.
Okay, good. Let's continue with the next one. Siéntate en tu escritorio, right? Next.
Sit at your desk, please.
What means this picture? It means open your book, please. This is a classroom command. Open your book, please. Okay? Next. This is the opposite. Close your book, please. Close your book, please. What it means. Estamos sacando un lápiz de la cartuchera aquí, ¿no es cierto? This is take out your pencil. Take out your pencil. Good. Next. What it means. Estamos guardando algo, ¿cierto? Put away your book, please. Put away your book, please. Good. She says, pass me a pen, please. Pass me, pásame. So he answered, here you are, aquí tienes. Él le va a dar su espero, ¿cierto? Pass me a pen. Okay, Haddie, now we are gonna practice these classroom instructions, okay? So, you're going to listen to me and then you're gonna act the classroom instruction, okay? So, Haddie, please stand up. Stand up, please. Stand up. Okay, thank you. Okay, Haddie. Now, please, sit at your desk, please. Haddie, sit at your desk. Recuerda que sit at your desk significaba siéntate en tu escritorio, okay? Great. Okay, now listen, please. Take out your book. Take out. What it means. Saca tu libro. Take out your book. Okay? Sacamos. Listo. Okay. Now listen, Haddie. Open your book. Do it. Vamos. Open your book. It means. That's it means. Open your book. Abra su libro. Open your book. Okay? Good. Now, listen. Close your book. Haddie, close your book, please. Yes. Close your book. Cerrar. Okay, Haddie, good. Now, put away your book. Put away your book. This is the opposite to sacar. Now, put away. Guardar. Put away. Guardo aquí en un cajoncito mío. Put away. Guardar. Good. Excellent. Okay, Haddie, now, please, take out your pencil case. Go. Take out your pencil case. Saque su cartuchera. Take out your pencil case. Excellent. Okay. Now, Haddie, open your pencil case, please. Open your pencil case. Good. Open. This is open. Great. Okay, now listen. Take out. Vamos a sacar algunos objetos. Take out your rubber, please. And show me. Muéstrame, Haddie. Take out your rubber. Okay, good. Take out your rubber or take out your eraser. Okay? Great. Okay, now take out your glue. Take out your glue. Take out. Okay? Good. Excellent. Take out. Now, take out your pencil, please. Take out your pencil. Good. Take out your scissors. Take out your scissors. Good. Excellent. Okay. Now, let's close the pencil case. Please, close the pencil case. Okay, great. Okay, now, please, pass me. Pass me a pencil, please. Imagine that you are in front of me. Pass me a pencil. Imagínate que estoy delante tuyo, Haddie. Pass me a pencil. Yes, pass me a pencil. Good. Okay, now, pass me an eraser, please. Haddie, pass me an eraser. Good. Pass me an eraser. Pásame, ¿no es cierto? Pásame un eraser. Good. Excellent. Okay, don't forget to pass me, okay? Now, open your pencil case again. Open your pencil case. Great. Now, put away your scissors. Put away your scissors. Guardamos. Put away. Thank you. Now, put away your pencil. Go, Haddie. Put away your pencil. Good. Guardamos. Put away. Put away your eraser. Put away your eraser. Let's put away. Guardamos. Okay, and put away your glue. Put away. Okay, and now close your pencil case. Great. Okay, so now we are gonna do an activity in our student's book, okay? Okay, Haddie, open your student's book on page 17. Si tienes el librito, vamos a abrirlo en la página 17, okay? So, we're gonna work on exercise number 1. It says, read and circle the correct pictures, okay? So, picture number 1, we're gonna choose the correct picture, okay? So, it says, put away your book, please. What's the correct picture to this classroom instruction, Haddie? Will be this or this. Put away means guardar, ¿cierto? So, the correct picture is this. So, let's circle. Good, great. Okay, in number 2, it says, the opposite to put away is take out. Take out. Si put away significa guardar, take out means the opposite. Take out your ruler, please. Which one is the correct picture? This or this? The correct one is this. Take out. The opposite to put away. Guardar, ¿no es cierto? Guardar. Okay, let's circle number 2. Good. Number 3. Read, please. It says, pass me a pencil, please. Which picture means pass me a pencil? Okay, so it will be this or this. ¿Cuál está pasando un lápiz? This one, right? Okay, so circle, please. And number 4, Haddie, it says, open your bag. What's the meaning of open your bag? What is the correct picture? This or this? Yes, it is. This is the correct picture. Open. Because that means close your bag. Pero dice aquí open, right? Okay, good job. Okay, Haddie, this is all for today. So take care, Haddie, and I hope to see you very soon. Okay? Goodbye, Haddie. Goodbye. Take care. Goodbye.